Want to cook smarter without spending extra time in the kitchen? These Amazon kitchen gadgets are built to simplify prep, speed things up, and make cooking feel effortless. From clever tools to everyday upgrades, they help you get better results with less work. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Take your meals on the go without spills or mess. This 24-ounce glass container is airtight, leak-proof, and wrapped in a textured silicone sleeve for a secure grip. Made from BPA-free, high-quality glass, it's safe for the microwave and dishwasher. Perfect for soups, salads, overnight oats, or leftovers. It keeps your food fresh and contained wherever you are. Durable, stylish, and reusable. It's a smarter, greener way to pack your lunch. Carrying groceries just got a whole lot easier. This clever bag organizer lets you carry multiple bags without hurting your hands, thanks to its gel-padded handle. It balances weight across your shoulder, leaving your hands free for keys, your phone, or even a coffee. Small and portable, it's ready whenever you need to haul groceries, sports gear, or other heavy loads. Lift less, carry more, it turns multiple trips into just one. Grating just got a serious upgrade. This 4-in-1 handheld tool slices, zests, peels, and grates cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and even garlic. The stainless steel blades are strong, rust-resistant, and built to last, while the ergonomic handle keeps your hands comfortable. Its flat design and hanging hole make storage easy, and cleanup is a breeze. From salads to desserts, it turns everyday prep into a quick and effortless task. So if you want faster, easier food prep, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Cooking just got fully hands-free. This 360-degree rotating stir-fry machine heats ingredients evenly with its wraparound design, so nothing burns or sticks. With a 6.5-liter capacity and adjustable angles, you can set the time and walk away while it cooks perfectly. The thick non-stick alloy body locks in moisture for juicy, flavorful meals and cleans up in seconds. Compact, portable, and versatile, it's perfect for home, camping, or even RV adventures. Separating eggs just got effortless. This handy gadget lets you split yolks from whites in seconds with its 3-hole design. Made from food-grade, eco-friendly materials, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. One-hand use frees you up for other prep while the egg whites flow straight into your bowl. Perfect for omelets, meringues, or baking, it makes cooking faster and more precise. So if you want flawless egg prep every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Pizza night just got legendary. This outdoor gas oven cooks a full 16-inch pizza in just 60 seconds with a lateral rolling flame that mimics a wood-fired oven. You control the heat precisely for perfectly crispy crusts and evenly melted toppings. The removable stone floor and double-layer insulation keep the oven scorching hot for back-to-back pizzas. Compact on the outside but spacious inside, it's perfect for pizza parties or backyard feasts. Say goodbye to messy rice bags forever. This glass dispenser with a wooden stand lets you portion rice, flour, or cereal effortlessly and precisely. The airtight bamboo lid keeps everything fresh, safe from moisture and pests. A glass measuring cup makes it easy to scoop the exact amount every time. Stylish, durable, and organized. It's the perfect upgrade for any pantry. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This cordless spin scrubber tackles floors, tiles, bathtubs, and even dishes with minimal effort. You can switch between 2 speeds, and the adjustable 45-inch handle lets you reach high or low spots without bending. 6 interchangeable brush heads handle everything from stubborn grout to delicate surfaces, and the waterproof design makes rinsing easy. Lightweight, rechargeable, and powerful, it turns scrubbing into a quick and satisfying task. So if you're ready to make cleaning effortless, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Chopping garlic has never been this easy. This handheld press minces cloves with just a gentle push. No more sticky fingers or uneven pieces. The sharp stainless steel blades crush garlic quickly while staying rust-free and durable. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and the transparent body lets you see how much is left. Easy to rinse and store, it's a small tool that makes cooking faster and more enjoyable. Dinner just got a glow up. This 4-piece set includes a compact hot plate, a takoyaki plate, a ceramic-coated pot, and a grill plate. Everything you need to cook your way. You can make stews, grill veggies, or even flip perfect takoyaki with ease. The compact design fits any countertop and looks stylish while cooking. Ceramic coating keeps food from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. From solo meals to fun gatherings, it's your all-in-one cooking companion. So if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Salads, slaws, and even cheese just got a major upgrade. This cordless handheld cutter slices, shreds, and even shaves ice with 4 interchangeable blades. You just press one button, and the 40-watt motor does all the work while you hold it comfortably in your hand. Dual storage cups keep ingredients organized, and the battery makes it totally portable. Lightweight, safe, and stylish, it makes prep faster and way more fun. Tired of spending hours chopping for juice? This slow masticating juicer handles whole fruits and veggies with its extra wide feed chute. You get maximum juice with minimal pulp thanks to the 300-watt motor that gently presses instead of spinning. One-button operation makes it safe and easy. Even kids can help under supervision. Cleanup is simple with streamlined parts and the included brush. Fresh, nutrient-packed juice has never been this effortless. Fresh pasta at home just got way easier. This compact machine shapes cavatelli, orecchiette, and Sardinian gnocchi with just a few turns of the crank. You simply attach it to your counter with a suction lever, load the dough, and watch it form perfect pasta every time. Made with sturdy metal and food-safe parts, it's built to last and easy to clean. Small, portable, and super satisfying. You'll never buy boxed pasta again. Clean water instantly at the perfect temperature. This countertop reverse osmosis system filters out almost everything from lead to fluoride, giving you healthy, pure water. 5 temperature settings mean you can pour ice cold, warm, or steaming hot water in seconds for drinks, cooking, or baby formula. The detachable glass pitcher stores water safely without BPA, and wastewater can be reused for plants or cleaning. Easy to set up, it's a countertop water solution you'll actually use every day. Who said chocolate has to be messy? This mini ceramic fondue mug melts chocolate, cheese, or even warms milk with just a tea light candle underneath. You get smooth, even melting every time thanks to the heat-resistant ceramic. Its elegant, portable design means you can enjoy treats anywhere, date night, birthdays, or even a cozy evening at home. Cleanup is a breeze too, since the removable parts are dishwasher safe. So if you want effortless, mess-free treats, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Soup, steam, or stew, it handles it all. This smart hot pot lets you cook, boil, and steam with one compact countertop appliance. The stainless steel basket lifts automatically, so you can separate food from broth without spills. Rapid boil gets meals ready fast, while simple controls let you pick heat and timer settings with ease. Safe, versatile, and easy to use, it's perfect for quick dinners or weekend feasts. Keep food fresh and flavors locked in with this 2-in-1 vacuum sealing system. use the countertop unit for everyday sealing, or grab the cordless handheld to work anywhere in the kitchen. You can marinate meats and veggies in minutes, not hours, thanks to the smart marinate mode. A single charge seals dozens of bags, so you won't be hunting for outlets. Easy, fast, and practical, it makes storage and meal prep a breeze. So if you want fresher food with less hassle, scan the QR on screen to shop now. This kettle proves practical can still look fun. The retro-inspired design brings charm to your countertop while quietly packing modern smarts inside. You can choose the exact water temperature, so your tea, coffee, or cocoa tastes just right. It heats fast, keeps water warm when you need it, and shuts off automatically for safety. With a smooth swivel base and easy pour spout, using it feels simple and satisfying every time. Chopping, slicing, and dicing just got effortless. This golden titanium knife set combines style and performance for every kitchen task. The built-in sharpener keeps blades razor sharp without extra tools, so you're always ready to prep. Rust-resistant, non-stick blades glide through ingredients, while the ergonomic handles feel comfortable in your hand. From bread to steak, vegetables to herbs, this set has every knife you need for precise, easy cutting. Your sink corner is about to become useful. This magnetic drain basket snaps into place without tools or drilling. The triangular shape tucks neatly into the corner, saving space while catching food scraps. When it's time to empty it, just twist the bottom and everything drops straight into the trash. You can also use it to rinse produce or hold sponges, keeping your sink clean and clutter-free. So if you want a tidier, smarter sink, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Real barbecue flavor right in your kitchen. This smart indoor smoker lets you cook with real wood pellets without filling your home with smoke. A built-in filtration system turns heavy smoke into clean air, so you can smoke meats any time of year. You control the flavor with adjustable smoke levels, from light and subtle to deep and bold. With guided presets and app control, you get slow smoked results without the outdoor setup. This is like having a personal chef living on your countertop. This smart cooking machine chops, stirs, cooks, and even weighs ingredients for you all in one bowl. You can follow guided recipes right on the screen, so you always know what to do next. It handles everything from blending to slow cooking without swapping tools. When you're done, it cleans itself, saving you time and effort. If you want easier meals with less thinking, this does the hard work for you. So if you're ready to cook smarter, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Coffee shop variety without leaving your kitchen. This smart espresso machine grinds fresh beans, brews hot drinks, and even makes cold brew at the touch of a button. You can choose from tons of hot and cold recipes with creamy foam made exactly how you like it. The machine adjusts itself to your beans so every cup tastes smooth and balanced. Save your favorites as personal profiles, control it from your phone, and enjoy cafe-quality coffee made just for you. What if your food scraps could disappear and come back as real compost? This smart kitchen composter actually breaks waste down instead of just drying it out. You can toss scraps in anytime, and it quietly works in the background without smells or mess. A built-in filter lasts the life of the machine, so you never have to replace anything or do maintenance. In just a few hours, your leftovers turn into nutrient-rich compost you can use right away. It's clean, simple, and makes reducing waste feel effortless. So if you want to turn food waste into garden gold, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Cold food ruins the moment. This warming tray makes sure that never happens. This electric glass mat keeps your meals warm and ready while everyone eats at their own pace. The modular design lets you use one panel for dinner or expand it for parties and buffets. With 10 temperature levels and a built-in timer, you stay in control without overcooking anything. Safety features like overheat protection and a child lock keep things worry-free, while the smooth glass surface wipes clean in seconds. So if you hate cold food at the table, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.